The Open COVID-19 Community, an online social network, allows engineers and makers to work together and share projects in open design. Tools to structure information and disseminate pertinent news, in this case on shortages of medical equipment, make it possible to quickly identify critical needs, such as a respirator, in a very short time. A number of open-mode respirator projects are already documented in this community. Others have been specifically designed for various countries. The projects are structured in an ideation funnel, allowing the community's engineer members to mentor. This makes it possible to qualify, consolidate, and test the projects with the help of professionals. In India, the Anali startup designed a respirator with the help of mentors from the 3DEXPERIENCE lab in Pune, India. In the cloud, the design and assembly was carried out collaboratively between the different team members, so a prototype could be quickly produced and validated in less than 8 days.